Hello, how are you? This time I'm going to show you where drafts are saved in the Instagram app. The first thing we're going to do quickly is open the app. Now here we are in the feed of all Instagram content. So let's, for example, post something. We tap here to post. Let's post, for example, this video. Here we can already edit it, trim it, add the music, add the text. If we already have the video as we want it, we click next, and here, for example, we can give the video a name. For example, let's put motorcycle. No, there we already have the name of the video, and here are several options to tag people, to add topics of interest, to add audio, to also share on Facebook, advanced options, and then we would click the share button, but we don't want to share the video, we want to save it as a draft. So look at the bottom, the option to save as a draft already appears. So we click on save. See, the video is now saved, and if we click here on this option, we will be able to see the video saved as a draft. But let's do something more interesting. I already saved the resize the video. Let's exit Instagram. Tawasawa was exited Instagram because we saved the draft, but we're going to do other things in other apps, or we have other tasks pending. Then when we go back into Instagram, how are we going to retrieve the video that is saved as in draft? It's very easy. We click on the option as if we were going to post something again. And look at the top, it says drafts. It says drafts there. We just click on drafts, and here we have the draft that we were going to publish earlier. We click on the video and see that the title we put moto appears there. We would just click share. If we don't want to share it, we want to delete the video so it doesn't remain in drafts and doesn't stay anywhere on Instagram. We go back, say discard. Here it is already as a draft. We say here in this part, select. We tap on select the video, and tap on discard again on discard, and this way we have already removed the video from drafts. We no longer have anything pending in drafts to publish. Okay, this is Kusikur. We can save any content in drafts and retrieve the drafts to publish them later. I hope you like the information, and remember to subscribe to this channel to stay updated with many more tips on social media and Android apps. This is see you next time. Bye bye.